Hello, in this video I want to show you how to join and install Google Classroom on a Nubia Red Magic 7. So in order to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store. From here, start search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Select this app, install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use, and then OK. Click on this plus button, join the class. Here enter the class code which you should be provided with, and click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.